Kani kadega batesi TV, bat pidang pet ya ki kubor baman kasni, balwan rasha pi da ka orange nisan, lom so po niya fabricate Shillong, ringkat bat ka BDW International School Nongmansong, Langkarding Shillong. Admissions open now.
Way urang ba nakajat ben Rio Garo, ubatrei hakatnat Meghalaya Energy Corporation Limited. Hashwa bo onchong thai no artat nakakam, ula pendap ya Katongni u, kabau la angnot laslam, kat bau dang don hakakam. Kata ban pendap hakabatho ya kawai ka kot poetry. Uni urang ba udai Utruman M Sangma, na Bakmara South Garo Hills District, ubala pendap bantho ya ka kot poetry, Haka Ktien Garo. Kabalai Kyrteng Katongni Sulrang, bat haba penkala sa Ktien English kabaong, Tune of Hearts. Yakani kot la pelat chisengi shwa ba uni nong tho onchong thai no nakakam kata hakajelang kabalalong hakalai poterek mentau brai no pra arja katkandai hashilong press club yakabala pelat de shongknor jong ka Meghalaya Public Service Commission ULM sangma ubalalong kongsan hakani jelang hakani gesengi lai don kat ru ki wede ki pokmat na rilom Garo ki bahiyang hasam bar ki parlok parajor jong nong tho jong kani kon hakani kot kidan arpuitli ki poetry baro ki balatho halor ki phang ba per kum halor usentiu cherry blossom ka jinglong khna jong unong tho ka deiti tenrai jong ki jai ben Rio Garo halor kiniam ba per halor ka san parthei bat kiwei bat yakani ka kot uni rong ba ula ainam Haka Kyrteng jong ki kimi ki pa jong u.
Dear friends, we will not be able to know its meaning fully, and therefore I wish to translate the title of the book, which means Tunes of Hearts.
Tunes of Hearts.
Tunes of Hearts. The book contains 21 poems on different topics such as cherry blossom, halfway friends, introspection of childhood days, honors to parents, teachers, thoughts of commandment and culture, religion, politics, Christian faith, etc. It is dedicated to my parents who are no more in this world many years back.